Chess is fun if you are not fun. This is the way. Push the tiny dummy. Bring out the juicer. The pony comes out. Hop in your pony. The juicers comes out. Push the tiny dummy. Another dummy pawn on F4. The pony wanted to attack on F2. Never mind. Just push the dummy pawn. The pony comes in, attacking the queen and the rook. Counter him, bring out the potty queen, sacrifice the rook. The king hide in the bed with a teddy bear, bring out another juicer. The queen goes out, hiding in there, jump in the pony. What are you doing there? Just keep attacking the pony. Capture that dummy pawn. Attack that lollipop, wanting to defend. Remove the defender by hopping the pony. Capture that pony. Where are you going? The queen betrayed the baby. Sacrifice the rook. And don't forget to drink water before frying the king with the potty queen. Checkmate.